Many people aspire to have flat stomachs, toned tummies, and washboard abs. There are legitimate reasons to lose belly fat, and they have much more to do with your general health than your appearance, even though a slim middle can be hard to accomplish without a rigid lifestyle and a dash of lucky genetics. To lose weight and show off your abs in just 7 days, just adhere to these 3 suggestions. Number 1. Eliminate after-dark snacking. It's a common observation that cereal tastes better in the early morning hours than it does in the daylight. Close your eating window as early in the day as you can, though, as this may still be preferable. The Menopause Diet Plan, A Natural Guide to Hormones, Health, and Happiness, co-author Elizabeth Ward, a licensed dietitian, states that eating in accordance with your body clock and natural circadian cycles helps prevent fat storage. You can better regulate your weight by eating earlier in the day when your body is more adept at processing food. It would be challenging for you to stop weight gain if you bias your calorie consumption to later in the day. She clarifies that this is a hormonal reaction associated with insulin, which is more effective in removing glucose from the blood earlier in the day. What counsel would Ward give? After supper, stop eating any snacks. 2. Consume more foods that burn fat. Eating natural foods from the environment rather than processed foods from cartons or packets is one of the best and simplest things you can do for your health. Consider fruits, veggies, and seeds, fish that is best to eat, clean meats, not processed meats, legumes and other foods grown in rich, nutritious soils without the addition of chemicals. Conversely, since ultra-processed meals are associated with obesity and can actually lead to weight increase, you should absolutely avoid them. The majority of the things in your local store are likely packaged, frozen, or boxed, and are full of unhealthy additives and preservatives that you shouldn't be putting in your body. Leafy greens, other veggies like cruciferous veggies, high-protein foods like meat and fish, berries, and healthy fats like olive oil or nuts are some of the finest foods for burning fat. And finally, eat conscientiously. Achieving a healthy weight involves various aspects, one of which is mindful eating, which is surprisingly important. Here are some guidelines for mindful eating. To reduce the likelihood of consuming too much food too quickly, take your time when eating. Learn how much food you need to consume in order to feel full after eating, a process known as satiety, without going overboard. Refrain from multitasking and eat without distractions. Instead of eating because you're stressed or depressed, confront your inner discomfort. These are the basic 3 methods to help you get your flat tummy. Please subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos. Thank you.